Okay, this is an Acer Cnc vertical milling machine, model 3VS. It has a 2-axis PROTO-TRAK MX2 control, 9x42 table, 26X, 12-inch Y. The 5-inch Z is not a CNC axis, but it does have power feed. That's your MX2 control. That's your head. Here's your table. That's a drawbar. You can see the table has not been milled into. That's an accurate scale for the X and the Y. You've got ball screws as well on the X and Y. Sean's going to run around for you. By the way, it's also a 3-horsepower head. Oh, there you go. Do it again. That's rapiding. You see the X. Do it again. There you go. When you move it manually, it also becomes a digital readout. There you go. The Y. It's rapiding it that way. Rapiding it that way. Okay. Also moving it by hand, it becomes a digital readout. Okay. Quill, when he moves the quill, it also shows the Z-axis, does the math, moves it for you. It's going to run the head. It's low range, you can barely hear it. You can
150 RPM.
150 RPM, he's going up.
It's like the middle of the range.
Middle of the range now. $260. Stopping, he's going to put it into high gear. He's in high gear. 2200. Hold up. Go ahead, go up. Crank her up. He's all the way to the top, 4200. Bring the quill down. You can see the quill is nice and smooth. There isn't any scoring on the quill. He's at 4,200 RPM. All right. It's at the low end of the high end. Low end of the high range. Can you do me a favor, lift the weight cover up a little bit? There you go. You can see that. Hardening ground, dovetail way. The serial number of this machine is 926557. Tags over here. This is your control box back here. That's the back. Thank you for watching the video.